Just a quick video on the 5 1/4 inch speaker adapters. So I got the 5 1/4, or should I say 6x8 to 5 1/4 Mazda 3 from door adapters, and this is the funky one for the Mazda Miata. So you can see it's got 1, 2, 3 weird tabs on there. It does have all the hardware, which is nice. And for this one, I still have some of the hardware from the new speakers that I put in. But they're both 5 1/4s, and I want to make sure that I used it uh, evenly, I guess, for the spacing. Right now, I can barely get 3 screws on there. So I wanted to get the adapter to use the OEM hole that's in there, since they're just 5 1/4. And this one has all the holes here, and the same for the Mazda 3. As you can see there, this one is the Skosh, where's the number here? So it says 6x8 right there. I think that's the number. I'm not quite sure if that's the number, but let me do a look real quick. That's the number right there, 142SA68. This is for the Mazda 3. Because remember, I'm putting the speakers that were here in there, since those are bad. Well, not bad, they suck too. And they're both 5 1/4s, and you're able to do that. Now, I may have to do some reconfiguring with the plugs a little bit. I'm not sure what's going on there, but I think I'll install these first, since this is going to be the easier one to do. Just take the speaker out, put this on, and then just put all the clips wherever I need them. But let me take them out and show you real quick. So here is the sheet that they have on the Miata, and this is actually a metric kit. Let me see, let me find the name. Actually, it's right here. If you look, the Miata one is the metric kit, and the Mazda 3 is a Skosh. That's what they have. But it's just like an ABS ring, so it's just plastic. So you don't want to go too crazy on that. But it's kind of nice that you do have the hardware there, so that's nice. I'm not sure if these are going to be the same screws I'm going to be able to use on there, but it doesn't matter. We get plenty of those, so I got plenty of those. So that's what they look like. Got some numbers in the back. And there are some other universal ones that you can find on Amazon, but they're like higher up, and I don't need anything higher. I just need it placement for the actual holes, and not raise it up, because there's no more room to do that. Now let me get this going. Let me do that real quick. So this clutch kit, all we have is this right here. So it's half a sheet, and they are ABS as well. So there's the names. Gosh, right there is SA68, and basically just another adapter, which is what you want. Now I'm not sure on this one if this is gonna work, because I may have to put it on the speaker. I know there's thickness on that one, so I just got it just because of the 5 1/4 hole, which is what I need, but I don't know if I will be able to use it the same. But just taking the old one out and putting this one in, since there is a spacer. So till I get to that, then we'll finally know. But again, same thing. They cut out a couple other places for that. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have clips. The bag, you just open it up. I didn't even have to cut it, but I guess it was already cut. I'm not sure. But I think I am missing clips on here because, well, maybe not. Parts supplied. Tools required, so I guess they don't give you those, which sucks. It would be nice if they did, but There you go. That's the Mazda 3. I believe you can use this in the front and the back doors because they're the same, like 6 by 8. And the component speakers I have are 5 1/4. So you can get it with 5 1/4 and 6 1/2, I believe, depending on what speakers you're using. Um, but there you go. Those are just some uh, random parts that you could probably 3D print. Unfortunately, my 3D printer is no longer working, so I can't do that. But it was just easier to do it this way. So just quick, get it done, and um, yeah, there is like a step down here, so you would have to use that. So if you wanted some metal ones, this is definitely gonna be different. I mean, they will still work, but it would be nice. But there you go.